Let's learn how to do those perfect points.
I'm going to show you 3 ways to do these. The first way, you draw a line and you're going to sew right on that line.
Okay.
And then you're going to cut it 1/4 inch away, flip it, and you've got your point. So the second way, you're going to take your 1/4 inch, line it from corner to corner. Now you're going to cut that.
You cut on the line you just
We're going
drew.
to cut right on the line. I'm going to just cut it. So now when I sew corner to corner, I'm going to have my perfect 1/4 inch. When I flip it, I'll have my corner. I have to make one for each side. So now I'm going to put my right sides together on my back fabrics. So my right sides are together on these 2 fabrics, and my right sides are together on my back fabrics. So I'm going to cut it. Now when I open it up,
Get out.
so my lightsaber is the right way.
There you go.